Add-ons extend the capabilities of MATLAB. With thousands of entries available, from toolboxes to apps to hardware support packages, or even submissions from the MATLAB community, you're likely to find something for your project, no matter what you're working on. You can search for, download, and install add-ons without ever leaving the MATLAB environment. Find the Add-on Explorer under the Home tab, where you can search for new add-ons or see what you already have installed. Let's do a search for image processing. It turns out there are several official toolboxes related to image processing, and you can quickly check if you're already licensed to install and use the product. You may need to provide your MathWorks.com credentials, so make sure to have that information on hand. Note that you can filter your results by type, application, and other categories. If you're in more of a browsing mood, you can search from the Add-ons homepage all add-ons related to a particular category. For example, Autonomous Systems brings up related toolboxes, as well as support packages from both MathWorks staff as well as from the community. You can further filter by subcategory and also filter by type. This filter lets us see what hardware support packages are available, which includes the popular support package that enables image and video capture from both built-in and USB webcams. You can even find just for fun entries as well. Click on Games and find hundreds of community submissions, from Snake to Chess and Risk. To see what you have installed, you can manage your add-ons by clicking here in the upper right, or access the same from the MATLAB toolstrip. Check out the Add-ons Explorer now and see what toolboxes, apps, support packages, and community submissions might be able to help you out. For more information, check out the documentation and don't hesitate to leave us feedback.